Okay, today we are taking a look at preferences, and in this video we're going to show you how to install a custom report or a custom invoice template. So once you log in, the place you're going to find this is in your preferences area under custom reports. And what you're going to find, most likely, is just pretty much a blank screen the way you see it here. So it's fairly straightforward, but there are a couple of steps to this. So to begin with, we're just going to click plus to tell it that we are in fact going to add a new report. And it's going to prompt us to direct it to where the file is going to be. Now, if you have us create a custom report for you, of course, we will provide you these files so that you can do this. So in this case, I do in fact have a custom report on my desktop here. So we'll just go choose, and we will direct it to the file, which is our custom profitability accrued report right there. We'll go add, and it's going to tell us file saved in custom folder, and this is actually a folder on your server, so you actually do not have to be on your server to do this. Once it's added, we click this little added checkbox and we go to save. And then it gives us a couple of more options. And we do need to actually fill these in. So it's going to automatically pull in the title of the file. You can put an optional description. But these last three fields are actually not optional. So this main report SQL, so this actually represents the driving query behind the entire report. And this again will be provided to you if you do have us create a custom report for you. In this case, I have such a query already in place. So you just paste it straight in there, no magic about it. And then category and base table, again, this information would be provided to you. But in this case, this is a profitability report. So that is going to be based on projects. So we're going to have it show up in the projects category, and it's based on a base table of project as well. So we put in that information, save, and that's it. And then because we have selected category projects, if we were to then actually go into our reports module and go to projects, you will see in fact our custom profitability accrued report is there. And if we were to do a search and run it just like a standard report, it would in fact come out and look however we had requested it to be designed to look. Fairly similar procedure with custom invoice templates. So again, you're going to start with basically a blank field. Click on plus. Again, choose file. And we have one of these as well. So we're going to select our custom invoice template.rpc. Custom invoice templates will always be ending with a .rpc file extension. And custom reports will always end in a .rpt file extension. And again, if you have us create one for you, this file will of course be provided to you. Go to add. Again, it tells us that it copied it into the custom folder on our server. We say OK. We click our little added box and go to save. And then again, we have an opportunity to put in a description. No other information, however, is actually required. So we just have to put in a description if we want one, and that's actually all there is to it. And then we also have the optional ability under billing defaults that we now can say, well, we actually want all new projects to default to being initially set to use that invoice template. We can also go into any existing project, go to our billing options screen, and on our invoice output, we'll see invoice template selection, and we still have the standard two, but now again, we have our new selection as well. So that we can then pick that and in fact start generating invoices using that template. And that's all there is to adding a custom report or invoice template into the ArchiOffice system.